In this video, we'll discuss about working with strings and its basic operations in Python. So, so strings can be assigned using a single quote, or it can be a double quote, or it can also be a triple quote. This is a way how you can create a string in Python, right? And the operations, like you can do a string concatenation. I mean, you can combine two strings using a plus or arithmetic operator. That is, first name you can take as a John as an example. The last name if it's Doe, then you can add the full name as first name plus, and you can give a space with respect to this two marks plus last name. And if you try to print the full name, then you'll be getting this output. And similarly, if you want to find the string length, what is the length of the string, then you can use len of that text what you have created as a string. Then if you try to print, you'll be getting that string length. And similarly, if you want to access any specific character, so you can use with an index number. So if the text is a Python, and if you want to access the first character, you can give text of 0. And if you try to print that first character, then you'll be getting the output as P. And if you want to slice the strings, right, from 0 to 4 or 5 to 6 or 7 to 8, so the stretch of the strings you want to slice, then you can give as it a text is equal to hello world, and you can create the substring, and you need to give the index number from which point to which point you want to slice. So here it is text of 0 to 5, right? And if you try to print the substring, the value you'll be getting is hello, because you are trying to have that character 0 and up to 5. So it is starting from 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when you come to slicing of a string, so what you need to do is you need to mention the index position from where you want to slice, and the number of characters you want to slice. So if you take this example, text is a hello world. In that, you're starting try to slice from text 0 as a starting character location or the index 0, and you want to cover 5 next indexes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 0 to 4. And if you try to print that substring, you will get as output as hello, right? And the next other types of base operations that we can do is, like, if you want to convert string to the upper case, and if you want to convert the string to the lower case, then you can use this text dot upper or text dot lower. Text is nothing but the string what we have declared hello world. This text can be anything, but dot upper and dot lower are the syntaxes what you need to remember. Similarly, if you want to strip a string into pieces, or if you want to remove the extra spaces that are present, right, that you can do using text dot strip. Dot strip helps us to remove that all white spaces, right? And if you want to replace any string with other string, then you can do text dot replace. Text is again a common string what we are taking for our example purpose. So text dot replace will help us to replace apples with bananas or bananas with apples. Either way, you can just shift this here and there. And if you want to split it to a string based on any mark or any index or any comma or hyphen or any letter or anything, so you can do here by text dot split. So if you try to split this red, green, blue based on this comma, so it will try to create red, green, and blue as a list. The output entity will be shown in this way. It has been splitted based on this comma. And if you want to find anything, you can just click on text.find. So this find world helps us to give the position of that world location. So it's world location where it is exactly placed. That helps us, or that can be find, or that can be found using text.find. Find is the keyword or key syntax what you need to remember. So these are not using PyCharm to just to display it or to run, because this is so obvious. Okay. So any queries you can just mention in the comment box. Thank you.